Welcome to the Edwardsville Y Virtual Gym. Thanks for coming to sing and dance with us today. This morning, we're going to do row your boat in a butterfly sit. So take the bottoms of your feet and stick them together. Stick. And then you're going to go ahead and hold those toes together. We're going to start rocking our boat slowly. Let's sing row your boat. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Uh-oh, rapids, tip your boat backwards and come back up. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. Backwards. Do you think we can do it faster? Go ahead and turn your motor on. Vroom, vroom. All right, this time we're gonna rock faster. Are you ready? Let's go. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Oh, rapids, rock backwards and up. Try it again. Back and up. Whew. Those are some rough seas. Do you think we can do it even faster? All right, one last time. Put that motorboat in super fast gear. Vroom, vroom. And take a deep breath in. Here we go. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Oh, backwards. Great job. Keep rocking and rolling with the Edwardsville Y.